Yo guys, how you doing? This video we're going to show you how to make your throttle grip on your motorized bicycle not feel like, you know, a big gobbledygook and a load of mess. I'm going to show you how to make it feel butter smooth. So if this whole thing right here feels all sloppy, what you do is just rip your screws out. And just slide this little thing out here and just take this whole thing off. So this whole surface here, you know, get some brake cleaner, get some whatever, and just clean that surface really good first. You know, make sure there's no, you know, big hunks of crap right there. So when this goes over it, it's not gonna feel all horrible. So what you wanna do is you wanna come over here and you wanna get your grease gun, just like that. And you just kind of want to like just smear this around a little bit. Probably best in order to wear gloves, but I'm not. Kind of smear it around a little bit like that. You know, get some in your little cup here. And all you gotta do is just pretty much, you know, slide it back on like that. And one final thing is that if you look right here, sometimes when this is, I know it's a horrible example, but sometimes when this is bolted on right here, this thing is supposed to stop, like the white part's supposed to stop right there. Sometimes it'll like go on past that. So what I did was, oh my gosh, is that I just kind of cut a washer right there and I kind of hot glued it in there. So that way when I put this cable back on, you know, this little white piece that goes right there won't, you know, go past it. Just like that. You want to get your cover here, and you do want to, like, you know, kind of file off a little bit right here because that washer does kind of stick out. So that way it'll actually go on flush anyway. And you want to line that back up. Line it back up with your drilled hole. So it'll last a little bit by hand. And boom, you got a smooth throttle grip for your motorized bike. And yes, there will be another video on all the upgrades for this bike that I put on. So hope you liked this video. If you did, click on the buttons on YouTube and say to click. If you didn't like this video, click on thumbs down twice. 3 more doesn't work. And y'all see me in the next one. By the way, guys, check out my professional editing studio.